So we are going to start our journey of learning the law of attraction and the science behind it from the starting. My name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, tantra, and so many other things. So today we are going to learn about what is law of attraction and how does it work, how we can actually manifest our goal, dream, desires, and wishes in our life. So basically, your thoughts emit energy, okay, and the universe mirrors this energy. Whatever energy you are going to have, you are going to manifest that only into your life. Also, for example, if you're thinking about something and if you're actually having that vibrational frequency, you can manifest it, and that is the magic of universe. So thinking positivity, like thinking positively, can create more opportunities into your life rather than thinking the negative outcomes of your life, because you are thinking too much and you are not understanding that it is going to affect your spirituality, it is going to affect your mental state of mind and your emotions. And also you have to understand that whatever you're going to think, it will come into the reality. Quantum physics says that everything is energy, including thoughts. Like whatever you think, you manifest, because wherever your energy goes, that's where your focus goes, and wherever your focus goes, that's what you manifest into your life. Okay, apart from this, law of attraction isn't magic. It requires action, and persistent action, I will say. Because if you're having that clarity in your head that what you are seeking, then no one can stop you. Okay, so negative thoughts don't instantly ruin manifestation, to be honest, but the patterns it creates or the baggages it creates, like a lot of subconscious blockages, and because of those things, step by step, you don't actually manifest, and you are like creating a lot of blockages. So what you have to understand for today is the main video, or the main essence of today's video is that you have to think of those things which you actually wanting to manifest into your life. You have to focus a lot of gratitude, a lot of energy work, a lot of healing work, and you have to make sure that you are thinking positive all the time. You are thinking good about yourself. You are talking about only those things which you are actually wanting to manifest. Okay, so you have to take some actionable steps also. You can start doing journaling and scripting, and also just write down every thought, every positive thought, at least five thoughts, whatever you want from your life. Maybe I am having money, I am having a good relationship with my family, good relationship with my partner, I am having a great health. So these five thoughts you have to write down every single day, and this is how your journey is going to start. Also, you have to understand that you basically have to work on your energy. You don't have to think how you are going to manifest, or how it's going to happen. You just have to understand that you are just working on your energy and just taking actions, and rest everything will be managed by the universe. I hope it resonates what I'm trying to say. If you have any kind of question, feel free to message in the comments, and I'll be super happy to make more videos for you and teach you more about law of attraction in the coming days. Om Namah Parvati Pate, Har Har Mahadev.